Good morning. You right now are watching a video on the Rax Elementary YouTube channel. I am Miss Phelps, and I'm going to be instructing you in the first 25 1G power words. We are going to post here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with a new set of power words and some activities that you can do. Then you will practice independently on Tuesday and Thursday as per this schedule. These videos are going to be for students who can already do these things.
So these are going to be our 2Y readers. Students can already produce the primary or most frequent sound for most consonants. Listen to the sentence stem in a yellow book and use it to quote-unquote read the rest of the book without any help, so they can repeat the pattern of a book. Self-prompt the initial consonant sound when they encounter an unknown word. Say a word that matches both the picture and the initial consonant sound without reminders or other help. Reread to correct when necessary.
And for students who are going to be working on learning these things,
read at least 60 high-frequency sight words at flash speed. When they are working with me, and in order to enter 1G, they only need to know the first 25, not all 60. Read 1G books independently and successfully, self-correcting all errors that interfere with meaning. Demonstrate comprehension of independently read 1G books by discussing key ideas in the text. So in order to figure out if they can in fact read the 1G books, they will need to read it out loud so that you can hear if they are making any mistakes. And they should be able to self-prompt to correct most of those mistakes themselves, especially if it doesn't make sense with the pictures and things that they're seeing. And then for demonstrate comprehension, we usually ask students to tell us, 3 things that happened or 3 things they learned about the book. And if they can give you 3 things, then they were paying attention, they were understanding the book that was being read.
Power words, as well as a book for us to read aloud together when that is applicable. There will also be activities at the end of each video that you can do at home to continue to practice and reinforce the words that we are learning on Tuesdays and Thursdays, as well as on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, if you have any extra time. All of these activities are going to be able to be done with materials that you likely already have at home, such as paper, pencils, crayons, markers, and then maybe some small found objects like beans or pennies or stuffed animals.
Hello everybody. As I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot to tell you about another really amazing resource that we have through the American Reading Company that is a really fun interactive game for students to practice their 1G power words. So we're going to start by going into Google, and we are going to look up ARC Adventures. Scrolling down, we're going to look for ARC Adventures by the American Reading Company. Here it is. So ARC Adventures helps students learn 1G power words with our new educational video game. We are going to download this game now. It says your school must have an active ARC Adventures subscription to play, but good news is we do. I am using Windows. There it goes. It's going to be downloading right there. Okay, you will see that it has now downloaded. You'll open her up. Well, we will try to open her up. There she goes. My computer's been a bit slow today. Yes, we would. Next, next. This is also available and a little bit easier, especially for little ones to interact, as an app for iPads as well, or Android tablets. It does not, however, work on a cell phone. Okay, folks, we are back. As you can see, I just opened her up. She all downloaded. She's ready to go. And And now we're just going to follow the instructions on the screen. Type in the name of your school. Ooh, I don't know why that's a capital O. Rochester, oh, and look, we already popped up, Rochester Academy Charter School. Click. Username. I'm either going to cut this next part or try to blur it out because I am going to log in. Your username will depend on who your teacher is. If you're in my class, if you're in Miss Phelps's class, your username has already been preset to the student's first name, and your password has been set to your last name. Hit the check mark. Wow, I'm going to turn that down. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but that is very loud. Ooh, yes, I can hear you.
Welcome to Arc Adventures. I'm so glad you're here. Select an adventure to begin.
Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of different things. Your word wall will pull up the words that you are currently working on, and as you get them right in the games, this will fill up with little green bars. Your library down here is going to be full of books, but those books are the books will only unlock as you learn the words that are inside of that book. So let's start by playing a game. Mineshaft sounds fun.
I'm going to say a word. Tap the rock that matches that word. Love.
All right, let's tap love. Oh, getting some coins.
Love.
And another reason that I
Love.
love this game is that it looks a lot like Minecraft, which means that students will find it very engaging. I clicked on mine. I clicked on it. There it goes. Will find it very engaging because it reminds them of games. I promise I'm clicking on it.
Purple.
Let's see what happens if I get
Purple. Purple.
Oh, find purple. Is this purple? No. Which one's purple? It is. All right, kids, get on. We're going to play together. Which one is the word you?
You.
There it is. Listen.
See.
Where's the word see? Oh, it's over here.
My.
Is this my? No, this is my.
Love.
Is this
love?
Love.
Love.
No. Oh, this is the word love.
Purple. Love. Love. Purple. You.
Oh, and now you'll see that we're almost at the end.
You.
Here we go. And so now you can see the words that I got correct. It has started to fill in that bar. Okay, so I have left. There are a couple of other different things, and I'll show you one more game, and we'll see if you guys can play along with me. All right, so I'm going to be working on these words. Are these words that you already know? Can you read them to your grown-up? Love. My. Banana. No, I'm just kidding. Well, where is this really? See? You.
The bridge is weak. To cross safely, tap the word I say. My.
He said the word Mike. Let's click on it.
Purple. A.
Which is the word A. There it is.
Purple.
Let's see what happens if I pick the wrong answer.
A. A.
Oh. Oh my
Purple.
goodness. I hope I don't fall.
U. C. Purple.
This one. Oh, I just barely made it on that one.
My. Love.
Love. Is this love? Oh no, the bridge is
A.
breaking. A. I know that one.
Purple.
Which one's purple?
C.
C. Oh, which is the word C?
Purple.
Purple. This way. Oh, I was
Purple.
wrong.
U.
U.
Purple.
Oh, I'm
I.
using the word purple. I. This one. I made it across. Okay. Now that I've played my game, I'm going to hit this red button down here to bring me back out to like the main landing page. And if I hit this green button, then I will play the game again. And you can see that I've been practicing the word my. My green bars are going up. And as you continue to play games, you will continue to unlock things as well as unlock your other books and some special clothes and things that your character can wear on the wardrobe. Again, I do apologize if the audio is weird. And we're going back to me talking and you actually getting to see my face in 3, 2, 1.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will do our very best to help you. Have a great day. Bye.